Hi, I am Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. The single-stage Trane XR95 furnace has a 4-speed blower motor and is designed to provide dependable performance and efficiency for your home. At Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Trane XR95 has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this furnace for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable winter heat. The Trane XR95 features a 95% AFUE rating. AFUE stands for Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency. Trane XR95 registered limited warranty protection includes a lifetime on heat exchangers. A 10-year warranty on internal functional parts is available when the equipment is registered online by the homeowner. Extended warranties are also available. If you have a furnace that is over 10 years old, it probably has an AFUE rating somewhere between 60 and 70. This means up to 40 cents of every dollar you pay for fuel could be wasted. A cozy, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative furnaces with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson.